My colleague D. Sridhar Babu Garu, IT and Industries Minister, one more colleague Sri Tummala Nageshwar Rao Garu, Agriculture, Handloom and Textiles Minister, leaders of the textile world, investors, industrialists, officers, media, friends, good morning and welcome to Telangana. My hearty welcome to all guests to Hyderabad and Telangana. At this conference, 13th TechCon 2026, you are not only guests but also friends and partners in development who share our vision. India has a rich history and tradition of creating the best cloth. For centuries, art and culture helped India perfect its traditional textiles. As per our tradition, as Chief Minister of Telangana, I carry divine dress for Lord Sri Rama at Bhadrachalam temple on Sri Rama Navami. Telangana can proudly say we have textiles in our DNA. During the rule of Nizams, traders from all over the world came to buy cloths and pearls in Hyderabad. You know, Hyderabad is the rocks and lakes and pearl city. From our famous Pochampalli ikkats to Gadwali saris, Warangal daris to weaves of Narayanpet, textile is not just an industry, it is lifeline for our weaving communities. There are historic reasons why Telangana is a leader in textile. We are one of the largest producers of cotton in India. Our cotton is known globally for quality and richness. We have established Kakatiya Mega Textile Park at Warangal, a world-class destination. It has many apparel parks. In short, Telangana has both skill and will. Telangana is a leader in many verticals, from deep tech to pharma and life sciences, from aerospace to defense, from manufacturing to energy. Our vision, Telangana Rising 2047, is clear: to become a $1 trillion economy by 2034 and $3 trillion economy by 2047. The year 2047 is a special because we Indians will celebrate 100 years of independence. This vision has a specific meaning for the textile industry. By 2047, we will transform Telangana into textile capital of South Asia. My government will offer you the best of infrastructure, land, power, water, incentives, and fastest execution. I have policies that can match the best globally. Most importantly, we have best human resources. If you have a vision, we are your perfect partner for global success. Together, we can create an end-to-end textile ecosystem which can be a game changer for the world. From cotton fields of Telangana to fashion shows in London, New York, Paris, Milan, Tokyo, or Dubai, we will be your partners across the value chain. Hyderabad is a film production destination for not only India but the world. Recently, Netflix opened Island Studios here. I only inaugurated that Netflix Island. We have Tollywood and Bollywood using Hyderabad as a base, and now Hollywood has made its debut. We will encourage film industry to source their fashion also us. Environmental sustainability is our top priority, so we will create green textile hubs. We will be skilling our youth, especially women workforce, so they can combine traditional knowledge with the latest tools in designing, cutting and stitching. We have created vaccines and medicines for the entire world. We manufacture the Apple earpods. Now we wanted to ensure people in every country wear fashion made in Telangana. I say to all investors, we are not just a state, but a success partner, a growth engine. Together, let us weave a new future. Telangana is rising. Come, join the rise. Finally, I wish ETEXCON 2026 and Telangana Textile Dialogue great success. Thank you. Jai Bharat.